Hi friends! Today we will make a very simple dish using minced pork and eggs. So let's start. First, let's boil the eggs. We will use 500 grams of minced pork, 1 onion, and 5 pieces of green pepper. Boil the eggs for 10 minutes. While waiting, let's prepare the veggies. Cut the veggies into dice, like this. Peel the eggs. Pour 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil. From here, we are just going to stir fry all the ingredients except the eggs. Let's stir fry the onions until half cooked. Add 500 grams of minced pork. Mix well and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes in medium heat. We will use 2 tablespoons of sake. You can screenshot the list, okay? 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of dashi. This is not a sponsored video. About 5 tablespoons of Japanese soy sauce. We are going to add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil more, but if you don't like it, you don't have to. Add the green pepper and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Mix well. Dash of salt and pepper to taste. This is almost ready. We will simmer this for 2 more minutes and then let's add the boiled eggs. I added 2 more tablespoons of soy sauce. Now let's put the eggs and simmer it for about 5 minutes. I usually make this 1 hour before dinner so that the eggs will absorb the flavor. Be careful not to break the eggs. While waiting, I am going to make very simple salad, sliced cabbage, and sliced carrots. Again, this is the recipe for easy to prepare minced pork and egg. Friends, thank you so much for stopping by and I hope you share this dish to your friends and family. And please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell for new videos. Mata ne!